Is that Daddy?
At a busy airport, Julie Hain and her children peered down an escalator, watching for her husband, Rich.
Hi, Sammy.
With Rich is Tarakwa, a beautiful 10-year-old Ethiopian girl, their new daughter.
Come, you have to meet everyone. You have to meet Chrissy.
And this is Marta, and you Misraj, Abe, Misraj.
Tarakwa has a lot of new siblings.
At home with Tarakwa, we'll have 15.
Yes, these are adopted kids.
Rich admits,
I always thought I'd have a big family. I'm from a big family. But yeah, this is a lot. But it's just something you kind of grow into.
It started when he met Julie at a workshop for Edmond's teachers. The young widow already had 11 biological and adopted kids.
And I had 7 at home, 5 teenage boys, and the man dated me. I'm just shocked that he dated me, much less married me.
Years later, their total is 26. Though some adult kids have moved out, there's still a lot to organize.
Structure. We're both teachers, and we pretty much know how structure works with bunches of kids. And they're very good kids, helpful kids, hardworking kids.
Kids who say the biggest difference from life in the orphanage and here.
Well, you have someone you can call mom and dad here.
And Dad clearly does his part.
Drops us off at school and makes us breakfast.
He makes good food. He takes me soccer practice.
He's the best dad.
He's apparently pretty cool, too.
I can ride a motorcycle.
So as Tarakwa is greeted by her new brothers and sisters in Amharic,
Enquan salam matash.
you might not be surprised to hear she won't be the last one Rich and Julie adopt. Not after their recently adopted son Sammy told them.
I told them I have a sister. Can you adopt her?
Dad's response?
When I found out about Sammy having another sister and I called him from Ethiopia to America, he said, well, all right, I guess we have another one. I'm just like that.
And then they say yes. And then I'm happy.
In August, Sammy's little sister will be Rich and Julie's 27th child.
And I got a present for you at home, Dad.
You're so nice. Thank you.
So the welcome home hugs continue, which is what this giving dad says he gets back.
Oh, just all the love that you have all the time. Absolutely.
At SeaTac Airport, Heather Bosch, News Radio 710 Cairo.